Hey guys, Bingo here with another unboxing, and tonight we got this Epomaker Cross Aula F75 mechanical keyboard. So I'm pretty sure this is like a collaboration of some sort, but I think this is supposed to be an Aula keyboard, but Epomaker probably is the one selling them through Amazon, but I'm not sure. I just saw this that it's one of the I've heard it's one of the best budget mechanical keyboards out there. So I want to give it a try. So it's a 75% hot swappable gasket mounted MKB with rotary knob. I'm just reading this stuff off. I have no idea what those means. I'm pretty sure the one that makes me curious is the gasket mounted. So I'm pretty sure this is made like a Chinese brand keyboard. I bought it off Amazon for like $100, $120. So yeah, we got more here. It's the gasket mounted. I don't know what that is. NKRO in all keys. 3/5 pins, hot swappable, dynamic RGB safety key layout. Aside from that, let's open this up. Goes like that. So first we have this pretty comprehensive manual in different languages. Think, yeah, French, Spanish, Deutsch, Chinese, Japanese. Let's see what this keyword is about. Yeah, some stuff. Okay, 3-mode mechanical keyboard and some guide on the Bluetooth or 2.4G. Keyboard is here. Got some plastic, probably good cover for the keyboard. And wow, it's got some weight into it, I would say. Some other accessories, which that's it. So USB-C, which is always nice. The thing to swap out the keys and extra set of keys. Oh no, this is, I forgot what it, you know what I mean. The one under the key, underneath the keys. The switches, there we go. And look at this. Oh, that is soft. So this one actually has RGB and it should light up. I don't have my laptop on right now, so I'll put in another video where I actually had it set up. Can't be bothered to turn this thing on right now. Just want to show you guys what it looks like or how it feels. We've got the plate there. 2 levels of height. Some rubber, anti-slip rubber. 2.4 gigahertz connection. Probably going to use that one. Also use Bluetooth, wired, 2.4, and Type-C. Man, I'm just amazed by, so we got a knob here as well, which this is the main reason why I bought this. I want this knob. Also press it. if you guys can hear that. Hopefully my phone is not actually... Those switches are like... The keys are... I know there's like different types of like pop, and different types of sound. All I know is just it's a mechanical keyboard. Used to be just simple as a blue, red, brown switches. So here's a comparison with my current keyboard, which is my ever loyal Keychron K2. It's about similar size, but this is a red switch, if I remember correctly, because I used to have a blue switch. It was too loud. People were annoyed how loud it is, even though I'm in my room. But this one, if you compare it, red switches, it's like really soft. I like typing this one. It's got a nice feedback to it. But this is like buttery smooth. I've never tried a lubricated keyboard, and I'm pretty sure this is what it would feel like. I'm thinking they've pre-lubricated this one or something. I don't know. I'm not a mechanical keyboard nerd or something. I just want it to be... I just want that mechanical feedback. I don't really mind what switch it is. But hey, this one is so far... I'm loving the way it feels. And the one thing that I'm just worried about is that design wherein the symbols and letters are underneath the keys instead of on top, because this is the one that I've been using for all my life. I've never had a keyboard like this. But I think it makes sense because you're gonna be looking down, like the angle is just right. You can see through, like that. All right. Anyway, that's the Epomaker Aula F75. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you're interested in getting one, I'll probably make a short video on like the RGB, or like a short review, like a more thorough review on this keyboard. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.